Okay, we have a Haas 4-axis horizontal machining center, model EC400PP, serial number 2054515. Machine was new in 2014, and we're going to run her for you. Machine has 12,000 RPM spindle, 70 tool automatic tool changer, a 6-pallet pool, hence the PP. We're doing a pallet change right now. The pallet sizes are 400 millimeter or 14 3/4 inch. There are 6 pallets again. Machine has RENISHAW probing with whips, wireless intuitive probing system, rigid tapping, full 4th axis, through spindle coolant, chip augers, and a chip conveyor. We are doing the pallet change. Pallet's going. $2,500 RPM. Again, that spindle does go up to 12,000. It's super quiet. You can barely hear it.
That's 6,000.
6,000 RPM. $9,000 RPM. Stopped. We are going to do a tool change. There it goes. We're going to do another. We also have all the tool, we also have all the sheet metal to surround the pallet pool. And the original shipping brackets. Finding the tool. Okay. Jogging the axes around. All the axes work. Servo motors and ball screws sound good. That's your rotary. Again, it's a full 4th. Okay, so you saw all the axes move, you saw a pallet change, and you saw the spindle go. Hey, thank you for watching our video. Okay, we're gonna show the pallet pool doing an exchange. Again, we do have all the sheet metal to cover this up as well, but you wouldn't be able to see. All right, thank you.